Hey, welcome back to Filmmaker's Formula, and we finally reached 1,000 subscribers. I just wanted to say a quick thank you and hope to see you guys at 10,000 real soon. Some of you have mentioned you enjoy the short and to the point videos, and sometimes I want to show you things that might not warrant a full video. So I decided to start a new series called Bite Size. You know these scribbled animations? Well, today I want to show you how you can make your own. These scribbled animations can come in handy when you're trying to reinforce a point, convey some information, or simply add some character to your video. You see them in YouTube videos and even music videos like this one from Bruno Mars.
Got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening?
The technique I'm going to show you today is something you can get creative with. So don't feel like you have to stick to the exact shape and color that I'm going to be using. So let's go make some scribbles. If you have an iPad or an iPhone, you know that in iOS 11 or later, you can now create screen recordings. So to start off, you want to unlock your iPad, and then you want to go to the right-hand side and swipe down, and then click on that recording button. Then go to your note-taking application of choice. I'll be using Notability because that's what I'm used to. Create a new note and change the background to black. Or if you must, just color it black. And while your screen is recording, you want to use a white pen and draw over the black background. Whatever you decide to do would be your end animation, so be sure not to mess up. After you're done, stop the recording and then upload it to your computer. I'm going to be uploading it to my iCloud drive. After which you want to load up Premiere and drag in your video. Crop the video so only the black is showing, and then change the blending mode to screen. And that's it. Instant scribbles. Hope you guys liked that video. Let me know in the comment section below if you think this series is a good idea. And while down there, feel free to leave any questions you might have for me, and I'll do my best to answer them. Until the next video, I'll see you later.